Da-na-na-na-na-na.
Ay, asibangene siyaliyona.
Da-na-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na. Bangibheka kabude, yeah wena. Bangibuka kabude, uyangithanda na. Umuhalela uthando lwami, cha kusenkingeni ngoba uzoxabana no baby. Mina sengithathiwe, umuhalela uthandwa yimi, cha kusenkingeni ngoba uzoxabana no baby. Mina sengithathiwe. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's another episode of the Hangout. It's a Saturday, and yeah, namhlanje ngisuke Samoa, guys. Yabona nje, I'm all red and lovely. So today it's a special edition of the Hangout podcast. Sise Botanic Gardens, and it's just a shoot for the models or for abantu who want to have a Z card and everything. What's been trending these days? Ile pahla le ka Big Zulu, between Big Zulu and Duncan. So that has been like hilarious, but it's been out of this world. So nje ngazi ukuthi abantu bayithatha kanjani, but amavi someone commented ukuthi ayikho right into yalo eDuncan uveza abakudlala ama-voice notes and everything. So I'm like, how? But it beef yabo awekho ama-restrictions and everything. So angazi why benenkinga, but again it's a special edition, guys. Ngibona ukuthi ngihappy nje ukuba la yabo. It's full of nature, full of a bit everything. So ingakho ngimo chilled and more relaxed yabo. Because party ngisuka naseSamoa, kushubi. But guys, ngiyabuya nama models. It would be a good Saturday for you guys, for all the followers. Peace out. Bafethu sasibuyile again. Uthi manje ngibuye ke just an ordinary model. Ngibuya nomqeqeshi kahle coach wama models. I feel like ningumsebenzi awenzile to prepare everything. Ngosuku lamhla sichazele about ama preparations ukuthi you guys benenzani for prepare for this day. Mhlambe like ufunda ama pause or whatever the case may be.
Azibanga into enzima nje kube elula cause ukuthi nje communicate ukuthi ngicela isikhathi kuphatha ukuthi izinto zokugqoka ama-outfit ama-pose uyazi ukuthi nawe uyayifundela i-pose imodel photoshoot uyazi ukuthi i-pose ungafunde emakhaya so nje
kanti awekho nama-rehearsals like just to test ukuthi are you still there yabo? Are you really finding a foot?
Akhona ama-reasons but esiwenzayo ngijwayele ukuthi nje kuba ngokumodela not ukuthi kube awe photoshoot ukuphozela isithombe nje ya.
So ungasichazela nje wena briefly about i-journey yakho as a coach, not as a model but as a coach, ukuthi bakuphethe kanjani mhlawumbe phela sometimes abanye abezwa abanye mina uthethe like literally uthethe.
Mina ke angithethe ke bandla kodwa nje bayazi ukuthi basekushubile ke ngiyaphazamiseka.
Bafethu okay angisabuya ngayo nomuntu omuhle, as in like in a woman compliment type of sense yabo, but ke ngibuye neswahla letsizwa. Okay bafethu ngiphethe uPrince Prince Sam who is an actor and coach, physical coach, like if you want to hit the weights into kanjalo. So Sanel, just to usinika like a brief way to see what is a Z card for umuntu ongayazi Z card ini.
Okay, guys, is the card guys is simple. Like that's it. It's more like ECV, like as like if you example so like let's say is the card. You have look into the you have pics,
my pictures.
Pictures we have casually. We have traditionally, formal like me, like Abu Ranji.
So, because with the card, there has to be height and everything.
Oh yeah, about going to like height, my height.
Okay, sadly, Prince Agaz height.
Yeah, dude.
At least not waiting.
First, clapping and sing. Surprisingly, now I'm with.
Now, also 50 something.
Dude, come on, man. It's been a long time since like this.
No, what's it says I couldn't remember the playground, but it's fine. My mom and cousin would see. Like behind the scenes, Bunjani as an actor, like
behind the scenes,
like behind the scenes, just the brief, atmosphere and everything.
Yeah, when I could as a first look like behind the scenes, who's simple to who's simple. Because in first I find it who's to be my camera
so I stick to you.
First women, first I want show because we behind the scenes. First mula, first like in front, brothers. Pressure, like cameras are here, like cameraman, like you go in the scene.
Man, because it's September, man. Young, I must see, but when you look more of an English type of person. My, what's another?
Dude. As in the past, I see my person.
All right, guys, Joba and Chelly got in particular abantu who are exceptional when it comes to dressing and everything, like Babanzin. But as Corey, your boy, I'm just. Senzo hamba manje ngiyocheck yabo so how hey ngikhuluma nama-model just nje ukuthola more about modeling and everything njengoba kade ngino-Prince oyi-fitness coach
Amfaka na nje ukukhuluma kanje
ukuthi manje sishaya isikhathi yabo ngabe siyadwela more into fitness and everything, but from me it's a shout out the Hangout Podcast. Peace. Bafethu, we are back again. Bafethu, kahle mina sengikhathele yabo because amehlama asebona izinto eziningi. Kahle ngiyafisa unibone amehlama yabo. Nibone like ubuhle ngikubonayo right now. Nginonolwazi bakamsomi. Yeah, she is dark and lovely. Yabo, a bit of everything. Nje, all in one person. So nolwazi mongasichazela nje ukuthi yini kahle physical in your own words ngendlela ongayichaza ngayo.
Okay, ngicabanga ukuthi is a card, maybe is a card more about your information. Angazi.
Okay, because from other models, bakade ngizwe ukuthi kune height, i-weight. When i-weight yakhe ithini? Kale kuyi-weight, just skale light because ngiyazi mengibabuza i-height yabo abantu baba personal.
Asithi 53. 53.
What?
It doesn't mean 53.
53. What is that? It's a height. Oh, wait. Oh.
I-height, like roughly.
Let's see. Angazi
5 comma ba?
Angazi 5. 6 maybe. Angazi. What's my
I guess alright.
Why do they say 5.6?
Angikho fishane nje, why kanti?
It's 1.5, I guess, what you're talking about. It can't be 5 point something because you're supposed to be tall. You see that guy there, that's the tallest guy. That guy should be almost 1.6, that guy. Or 1.7 or 1.6 something. Yeah.
Oh, just mongasichazela nje like iy'thakazelo zamsomi nangizazi hlezi uzomsomi ukuthi hey umsomi sayasasha like iy'thakazelo just a few 4 or 5 or even 10.
10. Right. I think ngaze ziyi-2 phela ngomdala simply.
Wow. Umzulu qanga. Yo phela ngithi mhlambe sisuka ngayo ngale yakho. Ukuthi nje ngizange ukuthi ngizalwa uZwide yabo umkhathi. But thank you for having you on our podcast and platform. Bafethu ngiyabuya yabo. No Sane. I want to see she'll wrap it up. But it's been a wonderful day and it's been epic. But ithombe zizoyikhulumela ngifuna ukuthi ngichaza kakhulu. Peace. Sengibuyile yabona manje ngidla amagame. Kahle umagame bangifunza ngenkani, bawugcisha ngenkani. Bafethu ngihamba no Amahle waMbukazi. Amahle heritage, a bit of everything, a bit of photo shooting. So don't tell about this card since namhlanje we are all about this card. Bayichazile ngendlela yabo but nawe ungasichazela ngendlela yakho ukuthi kahle kahle umbono wakho yini izikhathi.
Mina ngokwazi nami izikhadi ila usuke khona ezemodel uba khona nekhadi lapho ukuthi uma bekudinga somewhere bakwazi ikhampani yakho ukusendela ukuthi unangani age yakho i-age height hlalaphi ney'thombe yakho ey'hlukahlukene bakwazi ukubona ukuthi umuntu onjani isibhudla isipenda ezemodel.
Okay, when wait because it got rap is loan is land just told
everywhere.
Kahle you have a bit of everything. That's that. So ma I was talking about like each yakho as model. Officially you can ama-seconds ambaga usichazela ukuthi wena hlahle as model each yakho ihambe kanjani yabo.
Okay, kumodela ngiyithanda bonke ngithanda isama.
Awusakuthandi?
No, ngiyakuthanda ngamanje. So shithi ngakhuluma noSanye. Ngasekhaya wena isidudla ngiyomodela kanjani lockdown yabo nje. Nayi boke bekusani lo model. Ngakhuluma noSanye nawe ngifaka i-Desert Models. Desert Models yabo. Kwathiwa umuntu nomuntu ahambe from age ezaqala zashubane lapho zoyaphila manje. Asanye umstage bakhulumisa naSanye. Amamodel akho ungeza nabathiwa.
Gijima, yakwazi ukugijima nje umngaka.
Igame binzi somehow kodwa umndeni wami manje abangani.
Oh man, osibasha manje.
Yeah, man. Support.
No, angisho kabi. I'm just saying. Usosba.
Bekunzima lapho kodwa bebehlezi bekhona uMarizani everyday azi ilani
No, shuthi ngaba uzinzelanga.
angizenzelanga kube kuthiwa babeke kodwa nje wazi ba ukuthi ngabe ngayenga.
Manje just to say that nje ithazele zami. Angizazi mina ithazele zami phakathi yabo. Just mhlawumbe 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or even 10.
Udonda uyazi ekuthekeni abamasekeli emzini omncane abasekeli emzini omkhulu. Umadem ngasi la.
What's Mr. Ronald? What's Hey, my Mr. Ronald, hey, usuangale. My, hey, kodwa kulungile bafethu. Like I told you bafethu, ngihamba nama-models, ngihamba nabantu abahle. Any example, like I told you bafethu, namhlanje nginiphethe kahle kahle izinto ezimnandi. A bit of everything, a bit of Islander, a bit of yabo. So I'll be back again. Bafethu, we are back again. Njoba ngitshelile ukuthi angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba nama-models. Sadly ke namhlanje abangitshela ukuthi it's a heritage month. I don't know why. Akekho ngikhumbuzile, akekho ngitshele lutho. But ke ngihamba noSibahle wakanzuza. Niyabona ke Zulu girl with some power. So Sibahle, more ngitshela nje about the card like as a model. What does it mean? It's because of teen is the card.
Okay, izikhadi ezimodeli yilana mhlambe kukhona ama-brand akufunayo kanje like fanele ube nezikhadi ugqokile mhlambe traditional bikini mhlambe uformal mhlambe nje kukhona bezobona ukuthi uyile hlobo le abayifunayo ukuthi aba-advertisele bazodinga i-height yakho ukhala wamehlo akho.
Okay, when weight height yakho ithi
1.6. Yes.
I-weight
57.5.
Yeah. Too much.
Ne-complexion too dark, inamehlo, color.
Wena njani? I feel like ucisha fana nami uSibahle yabo. Ukuthi nje inwaphela yabo. Mina ngathi yabo. Kodwa angisho lutho.
And ucishe ne-height yacishe yafana.
Yabo bafethu kwale kancane. So Sibahle ungasichazela nje about your journey as a model. Like officially nje. Just a few seconds.
I-journey yami okay yaqala ngo-2021 I was doing grade 11 Yes. Yeah, ngoJune ibe kunzima because ngingenela i-competition ngiyaqhaqhazela ama-cox ngeze ukuthi ngizowa la ismile siyaqhaqhazela ngicabanga nokushiya phakathi ngoba phela kunzima. Okay, ngakhe ngingawini nje angiwini phela inhliziyo ayibuhlungu. Aqala-ke ngaphuma ko-top 10, top 5 singabona ukuthi improvement ikhona. Iyenzeka ama-questions uthi uyaphendula isho siyabaleka.
Kanti ayikhona option ukuthi ungakhuluma ngesiZulu.
Cha ikhona phela kodwa umusi wamasinya i-English iyaphoqa khona yabo umusi ungenela amanye amaphi kufanele ufunde ngeke uhlezi uphendula ngesiZulu yabo because abanye abantu isiZulu abasazi.
Wena uyazazi?
Yasazi isiZulu mina.
Okay. I'll show you engizisho. Iqaba lasemaqadini aqanga ukumgoqoqonde nje.
Iqaba lasemaqadini laqala
Yabona ke. Yeah, kufana nawo. Out of 10, I can give you a 7 yabo.
What the 7?
So bafethu like I told you ngiphethe abantu abahle. I'm bringing more and more. Ngiyanikhombisa ukuthi amaZulu mahle out there yabo. Practical example. But we'll be right back.
AmaZulu as heavens.
No.
Or AmaZulu as AmaZulu.
No, AmaZulu as Zulu.
Oh, okay.
But Zulu people. But we'll be right back to hang out.
Greetings to you all. I go by name of Asanda. Intokazi yakamhlongo uNjomani Makedama. Umakhulu mina abafazana bakhulu ebusuku. I see myself as a confident, a driven, and ambitious individual who has a passion for humanity as well as its well-being. I grew up at Mtubatuba, Nkomaixosha. However, I reside in Durban where I'm furthering my studies. I strongly advocate bullying because I feel that sometimes people feel excluded from this world. We must not discriminate or have any type of bullying in this country. We must learn to embrace all different cultures, as I believe we all have our own different cultures, but we form an all-one rainbow nation. My motto in life is to always be humble and believe in yourself. Never let anything stop you from achieving your dreams. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, so what does that mean to you? What do you call this?
Heritage.
A heritage, yes.
Heritage means to me is that you're actually celebrating your culture. Yeah, we all have our own different cultures, but in heritage we celebrate it. Like it's like showcasing it, like so that other cultures can learn how your culture works. Yeah.
Okay. And then the boundaries between your culture and the modeling, what boundaries do you have in between? There's nothing clashes in between.
Or it's that in modeling you have to obviously work in bikinis. So my culture, they don't like that. They feel as if we are showcasing our bodies, like selling it. Our body, they don't understand that it's to build your confidence. Like when you walk with your bikini, you must show that you are confident and you're comfortable with your body.
Oh, so those are the challenges that you are finding in between the two. All right, can you walk there and show them? All right, thank you. Okay, now these two, Boregi and Amhlanje, I don't know what happened to you guys.
No, we're not bored.
So what happened?
We're just chilling,
But you
enjoying
enjoy
the environment.
Yeah,
Disappointed Sunday. People look way too good out here in suits and stuff.
Yeah.
And I was just told, but you can't trust a dude in a suit. So
Never
I'm
trust
sitting here showing my discomfort.
Never.
It's a nice weekend for me, but it's more chill this way than out there. But everyone's having a good time.
Okay. And then when as an actor, so did you take the pictures?
Yeah, I did take the pictures.
Okay,
It was a nice experience. Yeah.
Okay, that's sweet. When now as a musician, now.
Ney'nkunzi zami ngobrab ami ke ngiyabona ke ukuthi anginali ijamani yabo.
Don't worry.
But sizoluka ejameni ngiyabona